Amelia? Yeah? Do you like your cereal box? Tastes good? Oh. Uh-oh. Can you get it now? Ooh, almost. Ooh, almost. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Good job, baby. That's not easy. Can you pick it up? Almost impossible. Oh, do you want Mommy to help you? Do you want Mama help you, baby? Okay, Mama help you a little bit. Okay, here you go, honey. Here you go. There's your box. Yum, yum, yum. Who knew the box can taste so good too? Do you want Mommy help you, honey? Mama help you to get it? Okay, alright. Okay, baby. Right here. Right here, baby. Okay. Oh, right here, baby. Oops. Right here. Use both of your hand, baby. Use both of your hand. There you go. Here you go. Oh, you lost your hand. You want me to help you, honey? Can you say mommy? Oh, that's a big yawn. Oh, that's a big yawn. Are we ready for a nap? That's a big yawn. That's funny, huh? Here you go, my baby. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I love you, baby. I'm so proud of you. You can sit up on your own now. Yeah. Okay. Okay, baby. Can Mama help you? Here you go, baby. There you go. Oh, here you go. There you go, baby. Oh. You are getting frustrated? You getting frustrated? Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Right here. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Oh. I love you, honey.